LegalZoom Trademark Renewal App. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Trademark Renewal app is designed to keep your trademarks active, but most people get this wrong by assuming the renewal process is complicated or intimidating. The surprising truth is that with the app, you can track deadlines, prepare filings, and submit renewals online without missing critical dates. One major pro is automation. The app sends reminders before your renewal is due and guides you through the required forms. For example, a small business owner can receive notifications months in advance, ensuring they have ample time to gather necessary documentation and pay fees. Another advantage is accessibility. Users can manage multiple trademarks from a single account, track renewal status, and receive expert guidance if questions arise. This reduces the risk of accidental lapses that could jeopardize legal protection. However, there are cons. While the app simplifies the process, it doesn't replace legal advice for disputes, oppositions, or complex international filings. Users must still provide accurate information, and errors could delay approval or require correction. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Trademark Renewal app is a practical, user-friendly solution for keeping your trademarks active and protected. It streamlines the renewal process, reduces stress, and helps ensure your intellectual property remains secure. For most businesses, it's an indispensable tool for maintaining brand protection without unnecessary complications.